Yo, what it do, y'all? Welcome back to another captivating episode of Sam Hit the Spot. I'm your boy Sam Bam, and of course, as always, I'm thrilled to have all of you here. If you're new to the channel, man, a warm welcome to you, and I invite you to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my adventures. To all my loyal viewers, man, thank you for showing up once again. Your support means the world to me. Much appreciated. So this episode, man, is not going to be a popular one, but I just wanted to raise awareness to all my gringos and Americans that are visiting Brazil. This is, I think, a topic that a lot of people that do visit and do vlogs don't really touch on, but I think it's important that, we tell y'all the real when you visit these places. Know what I mean? I know Brazil is a beautiful country, beautiful beaches, a lot of beautiful women, but at the same time you have to move accordingly. If you're from the block, from the hood, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you don't know how to move in the streets, man, this is gonna be one that you want to listen to and pay attention when you visiting abroad, especially when you visit in Brazil. So let's hop into the video, man. Yay. So I'm gonna try to paint a picture for y'all, right? So picture yourself on a sunny Brazilian beach, surrounded by cheerful crowds, food, surfing, the sun, beautiful women, because Brazil got plenty of that. And then suddenly, a wave of chaos just sweeps through the scene. It's in Arrastão. But what exactly is in Arrastão, right? So in Arrastão is a daring criminal activity that takes place in public spaces. It involves pretty much a group of individuals who often work in coordination. They target a large number of people simultaneously. They move swiftly like a big drag through the crowded areas, leaving confusion and fear in their wake, man. Beaches, festivals, and public squares are all popular hunting ground for these criminal groups. The sheer number of potential victims provide an exciting and enticing opportunity for quick thefts. You dig? The high-show strategy is simple yet effective. These criminals strike when distractions are high, amidst the hustle and bustle of a crowded event. They employ a range of tactics to create confusion, divert the attention, and distract their victims, enabling them to snatch belonging undetected. I seen it with my two eyes, bro. Whether you're at the beach, a lively festival like the one that I was at that night, or a bustling public square like the Central, whatever, Arrastões tend to occur where there's a high concentration of people. But sometimes, don't get it twisted, sometimes, man, they'll walk up to you and just take it and run, bro. You feel me? I've seen it happen, man. Like, as a fellow gringo and travelers in Brazil, we must stay, informed and vigilant, man. During Arrastões, fears and panic engulf the targeted individuals, man. Victims have little time to react, making it vital for us to understand the risks it takes and take necessary precautions. Has sparked widespread concern throughout Brazil, pretty much prompting authorities to enhance security measures. As visitors, we can contribute to our safety by being aware of our surrounding and pretty much cooperating with law enforcement. I know it's not something that we like to do, cooperating with law enforcement, but you're not back at the crib, bro. You're in a foreign country, bro, and you're not invincible, bro. And that's why you gotta know how to move accordingly. You know what I'm saying? Local authorities have responded to by increasing policing presence and implementing surveillance systems in crowded areas. You know what I'm saying? They are dedicated to maintaining a secure environment for both citizens and visitors alike. But that shit don't always work, man. Like that night at that festival, man, I seen at least like 3-4 people get robbed. You know what I'm saying? And that's one of the reasons why this episode was mad short, because I ain't want to stick around and find out. You know what I'm saying? Additionally, you know what I'm saying, community awareness campaigns have been launched to educate the public about how stone and foster a sense of collective responsibility by staying informed and reporting suspicious activities. We can actively contribute to preventing these incidents. You can always stay safe in Brazil, man. You can always stay safe. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do, man, is be vigilant, aware of your surroundings. If you're able to do that, man, while you're out here, you can actively contribute to a more secure and enjoyable environment, not just for you, but for everybody else, man. All right. So when you out here, man, tighten up, man. Don't come out here thinking like you gonna come and just, you know, hop on girls and stuff. You know what I mean? Because these girls, they be setting you up too. Now in my video, man, you'll see like 2 girls walk up to me and my homie, bro. And like the way they did it, bro, they kind of waited for my out. You'll see, like, I was just speaking with my wife, and then my wife turned her head, and then these 2 girls walked up to us, man. And I'm not saying like these 2 girls ain't wanna maybe holla at us, you know what I'm saying, because we 2 fly ass niggas and shit. But a lot of the times when these things are happening, it be the girls that be setting you up, you know what I'm saying? So when you meet a girl out here, man, make sure you like be on point, man. Like I said before, man, this one's gonna be very short, man. You know, so as we, you know, conclude pretty much this eye-opening journey and topic, I want to extend my gratitude to everybody and everyone of you, you know what I'm saying, for being part of this community. I really want to see this community grows, because it's a whole bunch of people that literally wants to travel, see the world, do new things, and share their experiences on how to enjoy the city, the town, the country they're in, and also how to stay safe. You know what I mean? So remember, on your travels to Brazil, stay informed and stay safe. You know what I'm saying? I think together we can make a positive impact and enjoy all that this incredible and beautiful country has to offer. All right? Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and like. See you on the next one. Peace.